everybody, welcome to Phonics for Preschool Children. Today we're going to learn a new sound. I wonder if you can work out what it is. I'm going to show you some objects. I want you to tell me what you see. Yes, that's right. We have a bird, boat, bread, box. Can you tell me which sound all of these objects start with? They start with the sound B. B for bee. Can you say B? Can you say B to the ceiling? B. Can you say B to the floor? B. And can you say B to Tabitha, the listening bear? B. Let's play our game where I show you either a B or a B. Okay? If I show you a B, you say B, and if I show you a B, you say B. B, 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 B. Well done. Let's look at how we write the B sound. We start at the top, we go down, back up and around. Let me show you again. We start at the top, we go down, back up and around. Would you like to try in the air with your magic fingers? Okay, start at the top, down, back up and around. Let's try again. Start at the top, down, back up and around. The dinosaurs haven't been looking after their toys. They've been leaving them all over the garden, but I've gathered them up and put them in a bag. If they start with the B sound, they belong to the orange dinosaur, and if they start with the H sound, they belong to the blue one. So I'll show you what they are, and I want you to say if they start with a B or a H, and I'll know which dinosaur they belong to. So I have a hammer. Which sound does hammer start with? That's right, it starts with a H, doesn't it? So that's for the blue dinosaur. Bow. That's right, it starts with a B. That's for the orange dinosaur. Bat. Yes, that starts with a B as well, doesn't it? Ball. That starts with a B too as well. Shall we see how many sounds you can remember today? B, A, D, K, O, K, G, P, E, S, T, K, A, Fantastic. We've come to the end of today's learning. If this has been helpful in any way, then please would you subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again soon for learning lots more new sounds. Bye bye.